Hello and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Among Us Merry Christmas gift. So let's get started. Let's go first with the hat. Draw a circle and from there, the hat. Do semicircular lines for the base of the hat. And complete the gap. Now let's go with the mini crewmate. Do one leg, the second one, small line at the top, and then the oval shape. Go around, finish point, and complete the body. Now let's go with the hand. Draw the thumb. Three fingers holding the gift. To the legs of the toy. Trim the legs and add some extra lines. Now let's go with the top. Do a small line at the center, two at the sides. Try to keep sharp edges. Now let's go with the head. One line going at the top and finish the head. Now two lines for the face and finish it in a sharp line. Complete a line for the backpack. And the fist. Draw three fingers and complete the fist. Now at the side of our crewmate, let's do an box. Open. Do irregular shapes. Now we just create the appearance that he just opened the box. Going up. Draw a line for the center and the last one. Sharp edges. Complete the line and now complete the box. Two lines. Connect the tips. Two small lines for each side and complete the lines inside of the box. Now let's go with the Christmas tree. Start from one point behind the crewmate, going up to a point and then going down. Do the oval shape. Do the stars. Add some decoration to the tree. Finish the base And now let's do the Among Us Santa Claus behind the tree. Start with the hat. Try to keep the lines nice and fluffy. 2 lines to complete the hat, going up and down, and the poof ball. Now let's go with the body. Draw the oval shape, like so, and from there going down to create 1 leg. Trim the leg, and also the body to create a coat. Don't forget the backpack for our mini crewmate, and also finish the lines in the hand or any gap you have. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. Merry Christmas, crewmates. See ya!